we could hear puppies. It was definitely a concern.
Are you so hungry, Mama?
You think she's got puppies in this house? Let's see, where are you going?
A neighbor had heard what sounded like a dog in distress. They're down here.
Puppies?
Yep.
Hi, bud.
Oh, there's one.
Yeah, there's another one out there. There's another one out here, Nat.
Come here, sweetie. Come here, sweetie. It's okay.
Mom was outside. We could hear her barking at us.
It's okay, Mama. It's okay, Mama. We're not gonna hurt your babies. And then we'll grab the trap and set that for Mom.
She ended up taking off again.
I wonder if we should, if she's coming in and out back there, maybe we should.
We would see her and lose her and see her and lose her.
Hi. Are you not so scared of me, meow?
I had gone back the next couple days looking for her and never got eyes on her.
Oh my God. 1, 2, 3, 4 more. Hi guys. Where were you the other day? I swear to God. I looked up here. Yep, Mama's coming out this way. And she jumps over. My guess is the puppies are falling through the hole though. And that's how they're getting down there.
I moved the trap upstairs into the hallway where she would have been passing by to get to the puppies.
Here you are.
And she was in the trap.
Oh yeah. Good job, guys.
She ended up being super friendly, really good with people. Mom was here, I think, for like a day and a half before she left. She went very quickly.
Hi, yeah, baby. No pause. We're not gonna do no pause. Hi, yeah, baby. Give me kisses.
It's just amazing to see they're playful. Go from being these little scared puppies on the street to very happy.